Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can turn on the dark mode on your Thinkphone by Motorola. For that you need to go to your settings and then go to display and go to dark theme. You can turn it on just all day, or you can say to schedule it. You can say turn on at a custom time or turn on from sunset to sunrise. If you choose that, then the dark theme will appear when you have sunset and the light theme will appear again if you have sunrise. When you say turn on at scheduled time, you can set a time you want the dark theme to appear. Let's say at 9 p.m. and then when you want it to disappear again. So let's say at 8 in the morning, and then tonight at 9 the dark theme will turn on. If you make your settings here, you can just go back and then, well, either you have the dark theme on the whole time or you scheduled it. The dark theme will save you some battery. It's also nice for your eyes if you like under low light conditions, and it gives your phone a chic appearance. So that's how you can turn on or off the dark mode on your Thinkphone by Motorola. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.